National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, the Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River until 8:15 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an outflow boundary capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from Phoenix Shoal to 8 nautical miles southwest of Riviera Beach, moving southeast at 25 knots. This boundary will be near Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots, and locally high waves can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. The marine forecast for Chesapeake.